Helmet, go!
No hands,
No hands.
You can do it, Helmet!
You are so amazing.
Tina!
Can't do it. Come on. Yeah. Don't give up there. Don't give up there.
Good start.
The winner!
Yeah, I don't really drive like this. Yeah. I have to hurry. Usually I just take my time and enjoy the moment. I just take it very slowly, kind of go around it like. But now I have to hurry.
You could like.
Okay, now